and welcome back to my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I am loving the Dollar Tree lately, you guys. My husband's gonna kill me, but I don't care. I am so excited. Fall is my favorite season. I love Halloween. I love fall. I'm gonna start, trying something pumpkin spice because I've never had anything pumpkin spice. I know, it's crazy. But I am so excited to show you guys what I got. Now, I was thinking this week was going to be kind of a slow week because last week I did really well. I got a ton of stuff. But this week, you guys, I did not realize what I was going into. I went to the other side of town where I live, and I went to a Dollar Tree that I love going to because it's always straightened, everything's fine, and they had I think they had like 90 or like 70% of their Halloween stuff out. So I was so excited to grab some stuff, and I'm going to try working on some more DIYs. A lot of you guys are really liking them, and I really like making DIYs for fall and Halloween and Christmas. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned for those. I'm going to start doing them. My son goes to school on Wednesdays, so I usually can do some videos on Wednesdays. I'm starting a new position at my job, so I'll be, not so tired all the time, and I'm just trying to get, out of my depression state and just kind of get motivated. So I know you guys are like, just stop talking and start showing me. Now, you guys, I hate to say this, but I spent over $50. I got, at my transaction, I'm like, but I was not realizing how much I got. I just kept grabbing and grabbing because I was so excited for all this stuff. So I saw these right when we walked in on the store. Now this is eyeballs in like a jar, and they're pulling the eyeballs out. Now they had a pumpkin, they had, I think, a cat's or a monster's face, and then they had something else. But I thought this is super cute little bag for Ben to have when he goes trick-or-treating. He does not know what he wants to be for Halloween yet, but I mean, it's a simple bag. It's not that deep, which I do like. So I thought this would be a awesome trick-or-treating bag for him to have. So definitely got that. It does say it's a candy tote, so definitely got that. I ended up getting this broom thing. We're in the middle of like purging our basement, getting rid of stuff. I mean, my husband and I spend at least, I want to say we spend at least an hour every week doing this. We need to do it more, but we're just getting rid of stuff. We're getting ready for a rummage sale. We're gonna just get rid of it, and whatever doesn't sell, I'm dropping off at Goodwill. But we live in a basement with hardwood floors. Or laminate floors, and there's like just stuff that gets all over the place, and I'm sick of bending over. This is not the greatest quality, but it's just one of those dust pans that I can just, quickly sweep stuff up. So had to get something like that just for a quick fix. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, as you guys know, and you guys follow me on Instagram, I've been doing wreaths like crazy. It's a therapy for me because I have been going through depression. Not like a bad thing. It's not like I don't do anything. Ben and I do stuff all the time. But like there are days where I just don't want to leave the house. I just want to sit and watch movies. I'm like just kind of in that movie slump where I just want to watch movies all the time. And while I'm watching movies, I'm putting wreaths together. And if you guys are interested in putting wreaths together, go for it. I have a whole thing of just wreaths that I've done. But these are not going to be around for Christmas time, you guys. I'm just giving you a fair warning. If you guys are doing wreaths or have anything in general to do wreaths, definitely get your forms right away because these will not be around at Christmas. I always find people always grabbing the Dollar Tree wreaths. These are the best place to get wreath forms. So just giving you guys a heads up. I think I got 8 of them. 8 of them. She's like, how many did you grab? I'm like, I don't know. I just grabbed a handful because definitely needed those. And I'm working on a couple orders. I'm working on just a bunch of wreaths at the time because it's just therapy for me. So wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, I saw these. I saw people post these on Instagram, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I want one of these. Now, I don't remember how much decorations I got last year for Halloween, but this year I'm gonna go like all out for Halloween on decorations and stuff. I'm gonna get command hooks and just kind of put them all throughout my house because they're super easy. But I saw these cute little pumpkin lanterns. I thought these were super adorable. I really like these. I can always just put a candle in there or do something that I want to do with these. I could also put white paint in there so you could see it a little bit easier. But I thought these are super cute. I thought I just loved them. And I bought 2 of them because I plan on putting these on my mantle, my fireplace mantle. So I definitely got 2 of them because they're just adorable. I was not expecting my store to have this store I went to not to have this much Halloween stuff. So definitely got those. Those are super, super cute. Now we got beads. Ben's birthday party is coming up in a couple weeks. I thought these beads would be kind of cute to put in the kids' eggs. I'm doing an Easter egg hunt for the birthday party. So I thought these would be kind of cool to have, you know, because he's going to have girls at his birthday party too. So, and kids love beads, don't they? Yeah. So, we're going to have these for his birthday party. Hold on, Benny. I'm going to put these in the box right here. So, don't break that. I am going to be working on a... Did I grab 2 greens? I grabbed an extra green. No, I didn't. Apparently, I grabbed more colors than I thought I did. I guess I wasn't paying attention, but I ended up getting some of the deco mesh. I am going to do a DIY with the deco mesh. Don't lose those, honey. So I had to get those so I can work on a project for you guys. So, and if you guys plan on using some of that deco mesh from the Dollar Tree, hold on, honey, don't break. Definitely get it like right away because that stuff, like, they don't get any more after that. That's like one shipment and it's done. I ended up getting the ribbon. Can you show them the ribbon? Oh, I ended up getting the ribbon. It's got some leaves on it, so I'm going to use that for a DIY. I'm going to do like a little fall DIY. Benjamin was excited to get this. Show him what you got. It's like, show him what you got. Show him what you got. Show him. He got, tell him what you got.
A Shopkins.
He got a Shopkins cup. He really wanted the Shopkins cup.
I'm gonna see cookie. Oh, I have.
You're gonna look for Cookie? His favorite character is Cookie. So he got a cup. So why don't you go put your Shopkins in there? Go put your Shopkins in there. They can all be cool. Yeah. So he got a Shopkins cup. Ended up getting the skull. I love skulls. I should probably have a skull tattoo. That's how much I love skulls. I have a spider tattoo. So that's kind of cool. Sorry, my kid doesn't have any underwear on. Ben! You don't want people to see her butt. So I ended up getting the skull. Don't put it in your mouth. It's gross. So I ended up getting that. I don't know if they come in other colors. I just saw like this pearl white, but I thought that's super cute. I love it. I love skulls. So had to share with you guys with that. Like I said, I really want to start decorating some more. So I found some dish towels for my kitchen. I don't know if this is, no, it's not supposed to be glitter, but this one says Happy Halloween on it. It's got, you know, the house and the bats. And then this one's got the 3 pumpkins on it where they're stacked right on top of each other. So I think that was super cute.
Hat on it.
He's got a hat on it, yes.
And I have the twinkle twinkle.
I found some air fresheners, you guys. I saw people haul these. I don't even know how much or how well these smell, but it's an air freshener. And this smells like strawberry. And I love the smell of strawberries. And it is a tape deck. It says 1980s. Now they had 70s. Or no. Yeah, they had the 70s, which was a record. The 80s, which was a cassette tape. And then I have, hold on, honey. Hold on. Oh, Ben wants to show you guys something. So he found this pen. And then you wind it up. And it just does that. So we had to get the pen. Yeah, so they have the 90s, like it's like a disc. Now this was cherry. And this is strawberry. And then I got another one, but I don't know what happened to it. So I'll show you guys that. So I thought those were super cute. I ended up finding this sign that says Society of Black Hats, a fly-by-night group. I thought that was super cute. I love these signs. I love them. Anything with glitter. I just absolutely love all these signs. So I definitely, Ben, hold on. I definitely wanted to get that. So I thought that was a super cute sign to have. Let me show you guys this little fan. I finally found the flamingo tape. I've seen people haul these like crazy, and I'm like, where the heck do you find this flamingo tape? So this is just a flamingo. It's just a tape dispenser the shape of a flamingo. It doesn't say how much tape is on here. It doesn't have, hold on, honey. It doesn't have any information, but I thought that is so cute. Had to get a tape dispenser. You know, Christmas is right around the corner. Need a tape dispenser. Benjamin found something he was so excited for. Show him what you got. Show him. He got Krabby Patties, you guys. Somebody mentioned that you can find them at the Dollar General. I have yet to go to the Dollar General, but we ended up finding Krabby Patties. Now, the only bad thing is there's an 8 count in here. If you take this, if I give this to you, we'll go upstairs.
I want to go on now after I'm all upstairs.
So he just loves these. He's obsessed with SpongeBob right now. So there's only 8 of them in here, which is fine. I don't care. But for $1, I was so excited.
Not 8 of them, they're all of them.
Oh, all of them. But I thought these are super cute to have, or not cute. These are super good. Whatever, he can have them as a treat. So we got that. I mean, all it is. Here, let me show him. All it is just like a little gummy in the shape of a burger or a Krabby Patty. I found another sign. I am just going crazy over signs, you guys. But I saw somebody haul this and I'm like, oh, I really want this sign. And in the past, I've noticed signs that I really want are never available.
I'll die.
Yep, my camera's gonna die, so we have to change the battery. But let me just finish this for a second. So I noticed, like, I always see people have these signs. I'm like, I'm never gonna get it. Well, last year I was on a hunt to find a lot of Valentine's Day signs, and I could never find them. Same thing with Easter. I'm like, why do some stores have them and some stores don't? But I was so excited to find this sign. This says thankful and blessed. I think it's so cute. You know, it's a pumpkin. I really love it. It's gonna be just perfect for my little fall mantle, and I really like, you know, the metal leaf, so I had to get that sign. I'm going to actually start putting these signs up right away because I've had my summer ones up forever. I've had the summer ones up, and then I've also had like the Memorial 4th of July ones up, so I'm going to start switching those over. But I'm going to change out my camera right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We changed our battery, and now we're showing you guys more stuff that we got. So I found this. I thought this would be kind of cool. It's called the Traveler's Gamepad, and in here they got like a scavenger hunt, hangman, telephone. Can you show it to them? They can't see it. Here, let's see it. So they got this. They had 2 different kind of versions of this, but I thought that'd be kind of cute little things to play on the road trip when Ben gets a little bit older. It's hold on, Ben, it's taped shut. But yeah, they got some like good stuff, so I wanted to get that. Another 2 signs that I found that I was so excited. Oh, Ben. Oh, don't break anything. The next thing I found were these signs that say beware. They have it in the black and orange. And then they also have it in the white. Hold on, Benjamin. They also have it in the white and black. I thought these are super cute. I like putting these on both sides of my mantle because I have a big picture. So I like to put tall things on here. So excited to get these. Now really check these out, you guys, if you guys want something nice, because some of these are like really crappy. I noticed one of these was like upside down, so it was hanging like this, but the rope was up on top. So definitely check out your signs. I'm really picky when it comes to grabbing my signs, so I had to get those. Okay, hold on, honey. So as you guys know, a lot of the Dollar Trees are carrying the Tsum Tsums. So we found like a fresh pack of Tsum Tsums. So Ben decided to get the alligator from Peter Pan. These things run for like $5-6 a piece if you guys go to a store, especially like the Disney store. And then we're going to a birthday party in October, and they're having a Frozen themed birthday. So I thought these would be super cute to get for the person we're going to. So we got, what's his name? Sven. We got Sven, and we got Anna.
And Elsa.
Where's Elsa?
I don't know Elsa is that.
And we got
Anna.
We got Olaf. And then I did get Elsa. Yeah. And we got Elsa. So I thought those would be super cute for the birthday party. And then I thought this was super cute, getting the 101 Dalmatians Tsum Tsum. So we got those for that. And then I saw these and I was so excited to get these. I saw somebody haul these and I'm like, oh, I really want them. Yeah, so they are a salt and pepper shaker of eyeballs. They had it, hold on, honey. They had it in other ones, but I'm like, oh, I really like the eyeballs. So I definitely had to get those. And then we got some headbands, or this is a bandana. Now it's hard to choose what I wanted. So I thought the flamingos were kind of cute. This is just something for me to have while we're at home. I ended up getting this headband. This is Eye Candy, I think is what it's called. Eye Candy. I don't know how name brand stuff it is, but we ended up getting this headband. And this is a gray one. And then I also got one with the white. And then I also got just like a regular polka dotted one. So thought these would be kind of cute little headbands. And then I was so excited to find this, you guys. I found a skull, like little pedestal thing. Oh, I love it. And this one came in silver and it came in gold, but I really like silver. I might even get a second one because I thought this was...
it.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Yeah, I'm just loving it. So hold on, Ben. Let me show them what it looks. They want to see what it looks like. So we got that. It's just so cool, and there's black glitter inside. So
and then black down here.
There's black down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I was upside down.
It's upside down. Yeah, that is just. I love it. It's super awesome. But yes, you guys, that was my haul.
It's not done yet.
I had over $50 worth of stuff. My husband's going to kill me, but you guys know what? I'm so excited. You know, I'm getting birthday presents. I'm getting decorations for my house. I'm just getting stuff that I'm so excited to use, you know, and put on display. But yeah, you want to play with those?
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm going to try this headband on real quick. I want to see how it looks. So let's just try it on. And this came in different colors too. Yeah, you can see my part. It doesn't look the greatest, but yeah. So I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy this Dollar Tree haul. You guys have to check back every Friday. I always post a new Dollar Tree haul every single Friday to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.